Alright, so first I'm gonna go into Admirer. And I'm just gonna create like a little triangle shape with this color. And then I'm also gonna go into Pink Problems right here. And do a little flush of this. So I just did a flush of Pink Problems, and it just has this beautiful berry color. I think I'm gonna do a matte pink cut crease eye today. All right, now I'm taking some concealer and I'm just gonna lay like a really thin layer of concealer down because I just want this color to pop. All right, so now that I have like the front done, I'm just gonna take, this is gonna be really hard to do in the phone, but I'm just gonna take the top and create like, almost like a little top wing situation. And then I'm just gonna like blend this a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna lay February down. I think this pink color would look really pretty. And then I am flushing the pink over this line. Just blending. All right, so now I'm just going back into Admirer, my brown shade. And I'm just gonna like blend this down here. And then I'm also gonna take a smaller brush, and then I mixed Admirer and Pink Problems, the two colors that I used up here. And I'm just making sure it's all nice and blended. All right, now I'm gonna line the crease with my new glitter eye, launching this Friday, called Roses Are Red. All right, so I took the glitter eye formula and I put it on one of my compacts, and I'm just using this tiny little precision brush to line it. Oh, I put a little too much, but we're gonna bake under here. Alright, I gotta finish my eyes, so I'm taking Pink Problems and a little bit of Admirer. And I'm just lining my lower lash line. And I'm taking my perfecting powder again because you see how I went down a little bit too much. So I'm just taking my perfecting powder to clean that up. Alright, now I'm going to mix Princess Please and Queen Drip highlighters for this look. Alright, I'm going to do the Love set today, which is really pretty pink tones. Alright, now last step is just to wipe off this powder I've been setting. Okay, sorry, this is my full look. I don't really want to try the gloss. I kind of like the matte lip, but if you guys want me to try the gloss, then I will. So let me know. Alright, I don't even know why I asked, because of course you guys are going to want to see. Here's the gloss in the Love set. It's like this really pretty rose gold. So let's try it on.